Today we're going to start the neoplasms of the connective tissue. So let's start it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So first of all, we will study the neoplasms of fibrous tissue. In this we have benign lesions and malignant lesions. In benign we have actually fibromatosis, nodular fasciitis, and fibrous histiocytoma, peripheral odontogenic fibroma, and in malignant it is fibrosarcoma. In fibromatosis, by name you know this is talking about the fibrous tissue, and it is the mitosis, the overgrowth. So it is a benign, diffuse, infiltrative proliferation of the fibroblast and mature collagen occurring within the soft tissues of head and neck of young patients. So first you get to know that which type of a tumor it is. It is benign. Second, it is infiltrative, means it also actually affects the surrounding area. Then proliferation, which cells are involved? It involves the fibroblast and mature collagen. Basically, and which area? It basically soft tissues of head and neck, and which basically age people, and it is in young patients. Okay, so it is actually the infiltrative proliferation of fibroblast and mature collagen that occur within the soft tissues of head neck of young patients. It occurs in the first and second decade and submandibular region of floor of the mouth or neck area. Oral lesions rapidly grow, means they rapidly grow. If adherence to submandibular periosteum, then superficial erosion of the underlying bone, means if this tumor, because it is infiltrative, so if it reaches or adhere to the periosteum, so basically it can have the erosion of the underlying bone superficially. Okay, very important. Then histopathology says it has excessive proliferation of the fibroblast and thick collagen fibers. Nodular fasciitis is a localized lesion composed of fibroblast and myofibroblast, means it has two types of cells. One is fibroblast, the other is myofibroblast, often mistaken for the malignancy. Okay, so basically why it is mistaken for the malignancy? Because this lesion has a very rapid growth first of all, and it has very high cellular activity or hypercellularity it has. Okay, means it rapidly growing submucosal mass. The average age is 35 years. When you compress it, so it is firm and painful, less than 5 centimeter, and may have the ulcerative or normal surface. Histopath says basically it is actually confused with the fibrosarcoma. If someone can ask you that which actually tumor is actually confused with the fibrosarcoma, so always remember it is actually nodular fasciitis. Okay, and second, this it has primary cell type, which is spondylite or stellate. Stellate is a star-shaped cells. It has hypercellularity, means it has a lot of cells, and then tendency for the cells to be arranged in swirls. It is arranged like a swirls, the cells. The tissue spaces contain mucins because the myofibroblast is actually those cells which also secrete the mucin actually. Despite difference in cell shape, the nuclei still look the same. Occasionally, giant cells are basically a small group of cells when they are combined in response to inflammation or any other tumor mass. So they form giant cells. These are multinucleated cells actually. Okay, and they are found in inflammation and tumors and granulomas. You can see here. This pinkish light color is actually mucin, and the cells are myofibroblasts are present. They have inflammatory cells as well.